From supplying oxygen to carrying vegetables, from escorting Shramiks to handling medical emergencies, Indian Railways has always remained at the forefront to sustain the fight against COVID-19. During the pandemic, Railway Protection Force has contributed in a big way by ensuring the security of parked rolling stock, providing food to the needy, handling 45 deliveries and about 34 medical emergencies and Shramik specials. Let's get to know more about their dedicated service to the nation. Railway Protection Force has formulated a special plan, Reach Out, Secure and Rehabilitate, for protecting COVID orphans. They have initiated a drive to identify children in distress at the stations and trains or nearby towns, villages or hospitals. Moreover, the station has been sensitized to provide special attention to the children impacted due to the spread of the pandemic. From the time the child is secured to the time of his or her rehabilitation, one nodal Railway Protection Force personnel has also been provided for each child. Railway Protection Force has also played a major role in the rescue of children. The force has rescued a total of 56,318 children from 2017 to 2021, and a total of 976 children have been released from the traffickers. Not only this, but many incidents of the Railway Protection Force personnel risking their own lives while saving the precious lives at the stations have also been reported. Honoring the bravery of railway personnel, 9 Jeevan Raksha medals and 1 Gallantry medal have also been awarded to RPF personnel by the President of India. Further, to improve women's security, a large number of female workforce have been admitted in the Railway Protection Force. In 2019, 10,568 vacancies have been recruited in the Railway Protection Force. Prior to recruitment, the percentage of women in RPF was 3% and currently it stands at 9%. It is worth noting that RPF is the central force having the highest share of women in its ranks. Besides, to focus on women travelling alone in long-distance trains, Meri Saheli initiative has also been launched, where a team of young lady RPF personnel interact with the women at the originating station and en route to the termination station. Also, the security of female passengers has been upgraded by the RPF by the formation of special lady squads like Bhairavi, Virangana and Shakti. To make the journey comfortable, RPF continues to assess the passengers. The force plays an important role in grievance redressal, recovery of leftover luggage and security-related calls. Total 22,835 cases of leftover luggage containing items valued at Rs 37.13 crores have been restored to the rightful owners, and a total of 37,275 genuine security-related calls in the last 2 years have been received and redressed. An RPF disaster relief initiative has also been launched for reaching out and providing succor to passengers stranded in trains due to flooding. The team has carried out water, food, medicines and worked in close coordination with other rescue and relief agencies. Till now, 15 RPF men or women have been trained by NDRF and 75 more are being trained. Despite COVID challenges, Indian Railways is going on rapidly to complete the projects which are vital for increasing the capacity of tracks, thus making the lives of people easier. It is rightly said that service to man is service to God, and through the dedicated efforts of our forces, a template has been set for the rest of the world. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.